Now we're going to create some analysis screens. And I'll rename this to My Analysis 1. And if we go over to the Production tab, we have some components there. So we have one, this gives us the user interface we saw on the Impromptu analysis screen. And we also have another one here, which is to select the stored analysis. There's no properties to set on those to link those together. They automatically find each other. And we're also going to have to give it a date range. So we'll go with a standard ignition calendar at the bottom. This component here has a start and end date that we have to set to it. I'm going to bind that to our date range component down there. Property date range start date, and the same for end date. So if I come in here, it lists all the stored analysis settings that we saw on the impromptu analysis, and the values populate in here for us. If I go to something different, they change. So that functionality is pretty easy to develop just using the components. Now I'm going to come over and I'm going to put down a pie chart. And the pie chart data, we need to tell it to go get the results from this component here. So we want to go to the production analysis selector, and we want the chart data. There we go. It's actually showing that information, shift and those settings. So if I go over to downtime, we get the lines because that's compared by line, and we get the values. Now we're going to add some drill down capability. So I right click on the chart and we go to event handlers, and we see a drill down event here, and we have drill down. I go over to script, and we're going to select the production analysis selector, and the method we want is not there, so we're just going to select name and then replace the name with drill down. And we pass it two parameters: event get drill down name, and then event get category. So the drill down name is the item on the menu that we select when we're drilling down, and the event get category is what pie or bar graph that I am clicking on in the chart. So if I clicked on line 1, then that line 1 would be passed back. The other thing I need to add is the back button. What this will do for us is when we click the back button after a drill down, if we want to move back to the previous drill down, it will do that for us. So again, I select name because it's not in there, and then replace name with prev drill down. So 2 lines of code that we needed to do. There's a couple other things on the chart here. There's a property, drill down options, and you could set those to anything you want. It's a data set, but we pre-populate with ones that are appropriate, drill down options. So if you did not want to show all of them, then you can come in here and create a table similar to this, and it will do the drill down for you. Also, the previous drill down will be true if the production analysis selector has this previous drill down enabled. So we're binding the back button to this previous drill down here. So let's give that a try. So if I go to Shift 2, click on it, and I say operator, there's all my operators, and then I can click on it and get back. So there's drill down.